Here's how I break down a trading week using a top-down approach in 5 steps. Step 1. The macro map. Before the week starts, I open the economic calendar and circle the landmines. CPI, PPI, jobs data, PMIs, FOMC, central bank speakers, bond auctions, earnings. I rank them. Market moving, sector moving, or noise. Then I sketch the macro bias by checking the dollar index yields across the curve, credit spreads, VIX strong dollar, and rising yields. I expect pressure on risk and duration sensitive names. Falling yields and easing vol, I lean risk on. Step 2. The market structure. I scan weekly and daily charts for the big picture. Trend, higher highs and higher lows. Trend, lower highs and lower lows. Levels, prior week's high-low monthly levels, gaps anchored VWAPs from major pivots. Context, breadth context, sector rotation context, leaders versus laggards correlations, tech versus yields correlations, commodities versus dollar. This gives me the map, not the route. Step 3. High probability setups. From that universe, I shortlist names or indices where structure and catalyst align. I want 3 things: location, trigger, risk. Location, price at a meaningful level or zone. Trigger, break and retest. Trigger, failed breakdown. Trigger, pull back to trend. Trigger, inside day. Risk, a tight, obvious invalidation. If I can't define risk in one sentence, I skip it. Step 4. Pre-market scenarios. Before the open, I write if-then plans. If CPI is hot and yields spike, I look for failed bounces into resistance on growth names. Entries on rejection wicks. Entries on VWAP fades. Stops above the invalidation. Size small into vol. If CPI is cool and VIX drops, I look for opening drive consolidations to break. Add on higher lows. Trail below structure. I predefine targets, first at the next obvious level. Partials on the way. Move stop to break even only after structure confirms. No guessing midday. Step 5. The review loop. End of week, I grade the plan, not the P&L. Did I follow my scenarios? Were levels clean or noisy? Did news shift the regime? What entries were late? What stops were emotional? I tag trades. A, B, C quality. Note slippage. Win rate by setup. Average R multiple. Then I refine. Drop the bottom setups. Size up the best. Update levels for next week. Quick checklist to keep me honest. Calendar marked. Catalyst map done. Bias defined with dollar, yields, volatile levels, and leaders identified. If-then scenarios written. Journal ready with metrics. That's the playbook. Top down in 5 steps. Do the homework on the weekend, execute the plan during the week, and let the review make next week better.